Hi, this is Ciandre from Ciandre. Nowadays, no matter in China or foreign countries, for big villas, they always have two kitchens. One kitchen for social purpose, the other kitchen is for daily cooking purpose. So today, let me introduce you. This kitchen is for big villa kitchen for social purpose. For social purpose kitchen, the points that looks elegant and cool, the fashion. So for kitchen, there is three parts: wood board, hardwares, and the countertop. For this kitchen, we already collected the top international brand material to create this kitchen. So please let me introduce you one by one. So first, for this kitchen, for the wood board, we use Fenix material, which is a very comfortable, pure red color. And inside, let me show you, is that we use Germany top brand Kessehobmer hardwares. So this is Kessehobmer Tadan, and this is Lavito. So in order to let the space between Iceland, the tall cabinets have enough space for people go and come. So this is a very small, interesting design skills. So from here to here, this is oven, coffee machine, steamer. So starting from here, in these three open cabinets, we use kitchen tower. When you the very deep of the car case, you cannot take the things out, so use this tower, kitchen tower. Here is the same thing, so it's very easy. So from here, let's say from here, so you can have big and small, we call mother and son. So you can put different things in different levels. And this we called dining agent from Kessehobmer. And then from here, this is an internal refrigerator, so which depends on your designs. And also for here, we use Italian Laminam porcelain slab, which is 2cm, and we make a 45 degree. So make the countertop looks thin but still very strong. And for the door panel, we use 3mm porcelain with aluminum frame to make the door panel. So on the Iceland, we make something interesting, is that when you are not using this stuff, it's very tidy. But when you need to open, the structure is working, which looks very luxury. And what's more is that electronic power station becomes very popular. So here we have the power station for iPhone, for iPad, for different purposes. And here we use Hasgaria. So here is marble looking, and so we design a wood finish to mix the filling to becomes warm. Here is 3.2 meter, plus here is 2.4 meter. So the total length of this Iceland is 5.6 meters. It's very long, but this area is for dining. Okay, and back to this Iceland, in this side, in the case, you need to, for cooking, for washing, we need to take the place out. Actually, for the drawer inside, we can use different dividers. It depends living habits. So here you can see it's small, big drawers. Here we already have very strong storage function, and here we make door panel. It's just for, for both or something for storage. This is a very strong storage, social kitchen. But the purpose is to make the level of this kitchen be very luxury. But anyway, we have different levels hardwares, we have different levels of wood board, and I have different levels of countertops. It depends on the budget and it depends on designs. So if you are interested in interior designs, please don't forget to follow us. We're going to continue to show more ideas about kitchen designs and interior designs. So see you next time. Thank you.